Solo GCS revolutionizes your sound experience with the world's first 7.1.2 channel speakers, designed specifically for PCs. This cutting-edge system integrates 11 distinct speakers into a sleek all-in-one design, offering a rich and immersive audio experience that brings games and movies to life. With true overhead channels, it delivers unparalleled 3D sound that surrounds you from every direction, making you feel as if you're in the center of the action. Modern workflows demand more than just speed. They need clarity, control, and comfort. Zupi answers that call with a workstation built for those who move effortlessly between multiple devices. Whether you're designing, coding, editing, or managing content, this platform transforms the everyday grind into seamless efficiency. Experience dual device control like never before. With one keyboard and mouse, switch between your laptop and tablet or desktop without breaking momentum. Gloves are no longer the future. B-Stick brings full tactile immersion to your fingertips today. Built as the first handheld haptic VR controller that translates virtual contact into real sensation, B-Stick redefines how users connect with digital environments. Unlike vibration-based devices, B-Stick delivers detailed feedback to each individual finger, allowing you to feel textures, pressure, resistance, and object shape with precision. Elevate your game time with a handheld engineered for versatility and performance. The Absolute One Pro blends portability with power, offering smooth access to retro titles, remote play from your console, and seamless cloud-based gaming, all in one device. Whether you're revisiting 16-bit classics or streaming the latest AAA releases, this unit delivers consistent results through its responsive controls and stable connection. The 7-inch Full HD screen delivers vibrant visuals with crisp clarity. Snowcap redefines cold plunge recovery with its cutting-edge all-in-one water cooling lid. Built for athletes and wellness enthusiasts alike, Snowcap maintains a consistently chilled environment, dropping water temperatures to below 40 degrees Fahrenheit without relying on ice or external chillers. Its durable construction and quick installation make it ideal for daily use, offering precision temperature control that enhances every plunge. Whether you're targeting muscle recovery, mental clarity, or metabolic boosts. Low Free Edge sets a new standard for mechanical keyboards with its ultra-low profile, combining elegance and performance. Featuring a 75% layout, it offers a compact design perfect for those seeking efficiency without compromising on functionality. This keyboard's low-profile switches enhance typing speed and comfort, making it ideal for professionals or anyone who values smooth, responsive keystrokes. The Mamba Pod is a versatile, multifunctional tripod designed to meet the needs of urban photographers. Featuring 4 distinct modes, this tripod offers unparalleled flexibility for capturing the best shots in any environment. Its unique foldable clamp mode allows for easy attachment to a variety of surfaces, making it perfect for urban exploration or shooting from unconventional angles. Under dim gaming room lights, presence matters, and the right gear turns a desk into a battle station. The S3 RGB headset stand from Fifine brings visual command and practical power in one solid structure. Built for gamers who crave both performance and aesthetics, this stand is far more than just a holder. It offers dual USB 2.0 ports for quick access and convenient connectivity, ideal for plugging in flash drives, keyboards, or charging your headset. No more yanking, twisting, or yelping as you wrestle with an overstuffed trash bag. The pulley bin flips the script on how we deal with garbage, starting with a smarter, safer design. Forget hauling 30 pounds of compressed waste while fighting suction and gravity. This bin makes it effortless. Front opening doors eliminate the need for awkward lifts. Just lift the top cover, swing open the stainless steel doors, and pull. Security should never be left to chance. Crossover Lock brings real-time protection to your luggage, bike, and valuables anywhere in the world. With instant notifications sent directly to your device, you stay informed the moment your lock is ever cut, bumped, unlocked, or moved. Built for travelers, commuters, and adventurers, the Crossover Lock uses cutting-edge technology to deliver constant peace of mind. Whether you're navigating a busy airport, securing your gear at a campsite, or locking your bike outside a cafe, this smart lock keeps you connected and in control. Clarity meets control in every inch of your workspace with SecDeck's ultra-wide, high-definition touchscreen. This isn't just a display, it's an interface that transforms how you interact with your tools, files, and creative flow. Measuring over 17 inches diagonally, the panel delivers crisp resolution and finger-sensitive navigation, letting you glide through tasks with zero friction. Slide between full-screen main views with seamless transitions, maximizing your layout with every swipe. Engineered for expansive living spaces, this high-capacity air purifier redefines what quiet power looks like. Outfitted with a HEPA H13 grade filtration system, it removes ultrafine particles with surgical precision, capturing allergens, pollutants, and gases. Its filtration surface is 3.8 times larger than the previous generation, delivering consistent performance for up to 5 years without replacement. The ChargeUni wireless fast charger is an innovative solution for powering multiple devices simultaneously. Designed with convenience in mind, this charger allows you to charge up to 3 devices at once, making it ideal for households or offices with various smartphones, smartwatches, and wireless earbuds. Its Qi 2 compatibility ensures a fast and efficient charging experience for both Apple and Samsung devices, supporting a wide range of models. Elevate your content creation with UView, a game-changing 4-in-1 tool that turns your smartphone into a professional-grade studio. This versatile device empowers you to capture breathtaking video and perfectly framed shots, all while offering wireless charging and real-time viewing capabilities. Whether you're shooting on the go or setting up for a more elaborate shoot, UView ensures your content is always top-notch. From sketch to structure, concept to creation, Huneet transforms your desk into a production hub. Engineered for precision and built for imagination, this modular robot arm is more than just a tool. It's a full-scale creative companion. With an integrated AI camera, Huneet sees the world like you do, recognizing faces, objects, and patterns with sharp detail, giving your projects intelligent depth. WavePad's Original 2 pack-adjustable wrist rests are designed to provide lasting comfort and support during long hours of typing or computer use. Crafted with ergonomic memory foam, these wrist pads offer optimal cushioning, reducing pressure on the wrists and helping to prevent discomfort caused by repetitive strain. Whether you're working on a laptop or using a keyboard, these adjustable wrist rests align perfectly with your wrists, promoting a more natural position that alleviates wrist pain and carpal tunnel symptoms. Whether you're refining dovetail joints or carving intricate trim, this next-gen electric wood chisel transforms woodworking precision into muscle-powered speed. Engineered for efficiency, the powerful motor delivers high-speed strokes, up to 12,000 RPM, cutting through hardwoods like oak and maple with smooth, accurate motion. Designed for both professionals and serious hobbyists, this electric chisel boosts control, making fine detailing far more manageable than with traditional hand tools. Relief shouldn't be complicated, especially when dealing with the nagging aftermath of a bug bite. The VB's Bite Healer T1 makes post-bite irritation a thing of the past, offering rapid and drug-free comfort in just 10 seconds. This compact electronic bite relief tool is tailored for on-the-go use and ideal for all skin types, even during pregnancy without risk to your baby. For cat owners seeking peace of mind, the Furbo 360-degree cat camera offers a premium solution for monitoring your feline companions. Featuring stunning 1080p Full HD video with a 360-degree rotating view, it captures every corner of the room, both day and night. The 4x zoom ensures you won't miss a single whisker twitch while you're away. Seamless two-way audio allows you to hear and talk to your cat in real time, with in-app volume controls delivering crisp sound. Introducing Dolly, the ultimate AI-powered desktop companion that is transforming the way we interact with technology. Designed with precision, Dolly is a cutting-edge open-source robot built on the versatile Raspberry Pi platform. With its innovative open hardware and open design, Dolly offers an engaging and customizable user experience, making it the perfect tool for anyone eager to explore the world of AI and robotics. From the moment it begins to rotate, this globe challenges perception. Nestled within a sculpted helix, it appears to levitate, suspended in motion, defying gravity. What seems physically impossible becomes mesmerizingly real as the globe spins inside its twisting cradle, creating a hypnotic illusion that draws the eye and stirs curiosity. Crafted from premium zinc alloy and polished to a smooth, weighty feel, the structure stands approximately 4 inches tall and 2.3 inches wide. From first light to deep dusk, this intelligent home sentinel never rests. Equipped with face recognition, it identifies familiar faces and alerts you instantly to unknown visitors. Its early fire detection system scans for smoke signatures and sudden thermal spikes, giving you precious seconds when it matters most. Safety extends indoors with elder fall recognition, which notifies caregivers the moment a tumble is detected. No delay, no guesswork. Cool evenings call for a clean, efficient flame, and the Disco Fire Pit delivers just that. Built for those who crave heat without the mess, this smokeless fire pit blends rugged function with modern design. Crafted from durable stainless steel and grounded by aluminum alloy feet, it's a tough companion for patios, backyards, or remote campsites. The jet engine-inspired profile and strategic air vents generate a mesmerizing vortex effect, making every fire not just warm, but visually captivating. The Guvis G3 Max revolutionizes your viewing experience with its massive 1,000-inch IMAX-style display, offering a level of immersion that's hard to match. Designed for those who demand the best, it features a dual 2.5K micro OLED screen, delivering crystal-clear visuals with no edge blurriness or screen door effect. With a field of view of 65 degrees and an impressive 120 Hz refresh rate, it guarantees sharp, vivid images from edge to edge. Introducing Emo, a next-gen desk companion designed to bring personality and fun into your workspace. This advanced robot integrates seamlessly with your environment, featuring AI-powered interaction that allows it to see, hear, and understand your commands. With a wide-angle camera and voice recognition, Emo is more than just a gadget. It's a fully interactive buddy that responds to your needs. With built-in voice commands, you can easily chat with Emo, making it an intelligent, tech-savvy companion. After dusk settles and your day comes to a close, the bedroom should become a haven of relaxation and control. Nighties is more than just furniture. It's a nighttime command center wrapped in elegance. Built with thoughtful design and smart features, Nighties enhances your personal space while seamlessly merging utility and comfort. Cut the clutter and recharge in style with wireless charging built directly into the tabletop. No cords, no chaos. 4 integrated charging ports keep your phone, tablet, smartwatch, and e-reader powered up and ready by morning. The tough-built gel-fit knee pads set the standard for comfort, durability, and performance in demanding work environments. The adjustable elastic and EVA straps, along with a secure buckle system, keep the knee pad in place, offering a snug fit without cutting off circulation. Crafted with abrasion-resistant 1680D fabric and a rugged double-injected shell, these knee pads provide protection and durability. The Final Press Original Coffee and Tea Maker combines convenience and versatility in a compact, portable design, making it an essential tool for coffee and tea enthusiasts. Featuring patented 3-in-1 technology, this stainless steel micro French press is ideal for brewing hot, iced, and cold beverages with ease. Whether you're at home, on a camping trip, or traveling, it offers an exceptional brewing experience that adapts to any setting. The MagMirror 3-in-1 content creation tool is designed for creators on the go, combining convenience and power into a sleek package. With its real-time viewing capabilities, this tool allows for effortless shooting and monitoring of your content. The built-in selfie monitor screen provides instant feedback, eliminating the need for external monitors and extra gear. The tool's LED lighting ensures optimal illumination, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor shoots day or night. When every second matters, on the trail, at the shoot, or in the wild, reliable energy isn't just a convenience, it's a lifeline. The DJI Power 1000 portable power station delivers that lifeline with precision and purpose. With its robust LFP battery rated for 4,000 cycles and a decade of service, you're equipped with more than just power. You have peace of mind backed by 26 SGS safety certifications. Power surges quickly with DJI's next-gen fast-charging tech, reaching 80% in just 50 minutes. Engineered for innovation, the Highwander Puppy Pi Pro is a compact AI vision quadruped robot dog powered by the advanced Raspberry Pi 5. Designed to run on both ROS 2 and ROS 1 frameworks, it's built with 8 stainless steel coreless servos that provide outstanding precision, lightning-quick rotation speeds, and a powerful 8 kg/cm torque. The integrated IMU sensor enhances balance by tracking posture in real time, ensuring stable and reactive movement across varying terrains. In the palm of your hand, the Nomvdic R150 transforms any flat surface or ceiling into a cinematic canvas. The built-in battery offers up to 4 hours of continuous film playback or 7 hours of uninterrupted music, making it ideal for long flights, impromptu backyard showings, or off-grid weekends. It delivers a true 100-inch display without needing a massive setup, offering immersive visuals even in small rooms or tight spaces. The TickTime Cube is an innovative time management tool designed to boost productivity through simplicity. With a flip of the cube, users can easily start a countdown, manage their time, or track progress without needing to adjust complex settings. Its intuitive design allows you to effortlessly control work intervals, making it a great companion for tasks such as Pomodoro sessions, egg timers, or general countdown functions. This digital timer features a minimalist interface with clear, user-friendly controls.